On the 12th of September 2025, Kampala, Uganda, became the heart of light, joy, and devotion. The Jamaat gathered at Darkhana to witness a moment that will forever live in memory. The blessed Didar of Maulana Hazir Imam. As the Imam arrived, Kampala was transformed into a place of deep happiness and faith. The anticipation, the unity of hearts, and the collective prayers created an atmosphere words can hardly describe. For many Murids, this was not just a gathering. It was the fulfillment of life's greatest yearning, to be in the presence of the Imam of the time. In his address, Maulana Hazir Imam extended his blessings, not only to the Jamat of Uganda, but to Ismailis across the world. He reminded the Jamaat of his eternal love and care, assuring them that they are never alone. His guidance emphasized faith, resilience, and service in a world facing economic, social, and environmental challenges. For the Jamat, these words were like cool rain upon a thirsty land. Hearts filled with gratitude, and spirits were renewed. Maulana Hazir Imam expressed deep appreciation for the volunteers, the youngest scouts to senior leaders who worked tirelessly for the Mulaqat. Their service embodied the essence of devotion, selfless, humble, and filled with love. His thanks uplifted every heart, showing that in the eyes of the divine, no act of service is ever too small. On behalf of the Jamat, a gift was presented to the Imam: 2 miniature paintings from an 18th century Ottoman manuscript of prayers and hadiths, depicting the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Maulana Ali, peace be upon him, and companions. This gift was more than a token. It was a bridge between past and present, linking centuries of devotion, knowledge, and faith. To mark the occasion, the Uganda Jamat created a breathtaking art installation titled 7 Paths to the Light. Inspired by Farid al-Din Attar's Conference of the Birds, it symbolized the journey of Murids through trials, hopes, and prayers, all leading to the light of the Imam. Every element carried pledges to protect the environment, to serve the Imam, and to uphold unity. At Kololo Darkhana, a special mulaqat was granted for the youth. Maulana Hazir Imam reminded them of their vital role: to carry the torch of faith and service, to embrace education, to build strong communities, and to serve humanity with integrity. The youth left inspired, filled with determination to balance their worldly dreams with spiritual responsibility. Throughout the visit, emotions overflowed: tears of joy, prayers of gratitude, smiles of love, while children experienced blessings for the first time. It was a moment of continuity, resilience, and barakah, a living testament to the eternal bond between Imam and Murid. Uganda holds a deep history with the Ismaili community. Families have contributed to the nation's growth in trade, education, and healthcare. Hazir Imam's visit reaffirmed this relationship, emphasizing both spiritual strength and social responsibility to uplift communities, strengthen institutions, and contribute to progress. As the mulaqat concluded, one truth shone brightly: the Imam's love transcends all boundaries. Whether in Kampala, London, or Toronto, the Jamaat remains one family, united in faith, service, and devotion. The Darkhana Theatre of the 12th of September, 2025 will forever be remembered as a chapter of light, love, and unity. It was not just an event, it was a spiritual milestone, a reminder of purpose, and a source of strength for generations to come. A milestone of love and guidance, Maulana Hazir Imam's Didar in Uganda, forever in our hearts, forever in our faith.